Hey friends, I'm so excited sharing my easiest banana bread recipe. It is intensely moist, strong banana flavor, and the least unhealthy. Hey guys, I'm so glad seeing you here. Let's do it. Detailed written recipe is in the description and the first comment. Step 1. Prep work. Mash the bananas, then add all ingredients. Yes, all of them, both wet and dry ingredients, together in a mixing bowl. Step 2. Beat only one time for just 1 to 1.5 minutes. Step 3. Bake at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for just about an hour and we are done. Let it cool down and you know what to do. Extremely easy recipe. Now the most important thing is the banana itself. We want to use the right banana and the right amount of it. The more ripened, the sweeter and stronger flavor the banana gets. By volume, I'm using more bananas than flour, which is the opposite of most other people's recipes. More bananas mean moister bread, needing less added sugar, while having more nutrients from the banana, and not to mention we're using healthy olive oil. By the way, keep your bread in a Ziploc bag like I did or in an airtight container the next day. Much moister, more tender, and tastier. Alright friends, give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. You have a great day, okay? Bye bye.